Hey, what's up guys? Another video here with RSX. It's another little project I'm dealing with. Been about a year or more since I've been driving around with, well, passenger seat sub harness was missing. Yeah, weird, eh? No heated seats, and my lovely amp was riding on the floor. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So finally I got this sub harness. Look at that. Finally. So I'm gonna install it and hopefully tuck everything back together and show you guys after the result. So I'll show you the before. I just make sure when you're doing this, always disconnect the battery. And yeah, you just take your time. I had to move over 2 SRS clips because they were closer to the other clips, and the sub harness would not fit, so I had to move it over according to the helms and put it in its right place, and then I can clip it in. So I'll show you. So here's the amp on the floor that it was riding for all these years, and here is what I'm dealing with there. See, there's the empty spot. That's where the sub harness goes, and these 2 clips were over here, so I had to take these out, move them over, and now the sub harness will fit in there and clip in accordingly. I'll show you that once it's done. Alright guys, it's finished. And there it is, all mounted up. You can see behind that, or on top of it, the sub harnesses and all the connectors clipped in, screwed in, Bose amp. This will at least help somebody else out there if they're in the same situation, because I haven't seen any videos or pictures of underneath the seat. So yeah, if you need to reference anything, this is a good video to check out. So I hope that helped.